Xiamen Wanhos Solar Technology Company Limited was founded in Xiamen June 11, 2014. Registered capital of 3 million RMB and is located in room 605, number 617, Surabaya Road, Huli District, Xiamen City, Fujian Province, China. It's a high-tech enterprise in solar PV field specializing in solar PV products. With advanced technology and excellent service, Wanhos Solar Membranes devote themselves to research, design, and sell the steady, trustable, and cost-efficient solar PV mounting system solutions. As a professional PV solar products exporter in China, the pioneering products have been installed in more than 100 countries and regions since it established. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards, past ISO 9001 certificates. Besides, most of our products have got credit rating, obtained trademark registration, product SGS report. Our cooperation company occupies 5,000 square meter with advanced equipment including 23 punching machine, laser cutting machine, bending machine. Monthly production capacity 100 megawatts meet your delivery term requirements. As a professional solar mounting system and accessory supplier, if you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.